how to publish in your page on Facebook app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to make your page publish or publish. Easy and quick. First thing, go to your Facebook app. Once you do that, click on those three lines up there and click on your page. If you didn't find it here, just click on pages and you're gonna find pages you manage. Click on it and now click on those three, click on the setting icon beside the search icon up there. And click on general, which is the first option. Here scroll down and you're gonna find page visibility. Now, publishing your page, make it visible to the public. If you check unpublish, it will be only seen by people with a role on the page. Click on publishing or publish whatever you want. And this is it guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like.